Well, go on, my people, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to the channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Today I have an awesome video for you guys. It's a product review on my go-to wheel and tire cleaner, P&S's Brake Buster. Bought this in the gallon. Of course, I like to mention this is not a paid or sponsored video. I buy this product all on my own and I use it every day in my detailing business. It's actually my go-to wheel and tire cleaner, P&S. Awesome brand. Very reputable in the detailing world. I love this product, especially on my maintenance details. You can use it on the wheels and tires. It's non-acid, which is a big plus. Very safe. Also, it has rust inhibitors. They made sure that they made it safe for all your wheels, you know, your rotors, your brake pads, all that stuff. So that's definitely a plus. It's very affordable, I would say. You know, as a professional detailer, you know, we want efficient, great quality products, but also, you know, we're watching our margins. Also, you buy this gallon, guys, it's highly dilutable. You can dilute it pretty much however you want. Get creative. Try different dilutions, see which ones worked for you. You have 10 to 1, 5 to 1, 1 to 1. I personally like to dilute mine 5 to 1. That's how I have it in my IK sprayer, 5 to 1. This product foams up really well, guys. I'll give you guys a demonstration and show you how that works. Or I also like to use it in a spray bottle. This is a 32-ounce spray bottle. I'm going to show you really quickly how you can dilute that 5 to 1. My measuring cup here. I like to do when I'm using it in a spray bottle format. Spray on the wheels, spray on the tires. You have your actual foam cannon with your preferred soap. Lather it up with the soap, and then you can go in with the agitation there. All right, guys, really quick, I'm going to show you how you dilute the product 5 to 1 in a spray bottle. So our measuring cup here. 5 to 1 is, I would say, just about 26.5 ounces of water. Standard 32-ounce bottle. We have just about 16 ounces here. Pour that in just like that. And then we need another 10 and a half. That's about right there, guys. Roughly, guys. You know, we're out here, so bear with me. This is just for demonstration. All right, so that's our water. So it's about 26.5 ounces of water to about 5.5 ounces or so chemical. Is that about 5.5? See, fills up the 32 ounces right there. Look at that color of that chemical, guys. It looks awesome. Screw the top back on. Don't shake it aggressively, guys. Let's give it a like a leaning back and forth motion and let the product settle. Pretty grimy. So in a case like this, of course, you want to rinse really quickly. Heavy P&S. It's good on your tires and wheels, guys. Make sure you get your barrels. And then what I like to do is just use your regular foam cannon with your preferred soap. Foam her up. Don't forget your wheel wells. And then from there, you can go ahead and agitate. it out, guys. Most of that grime is gone. I mean, these wheels are pretty much beat up. Don't watch these guys. These wheels have a lot of imperfections on them already, but as you can see, if you saw the before chassis, there was a lot of dirt and grime on the wheel, and just like that, the brake buster definitely helped remove all of that grime. Awesome way I like to do it, guys, especially if your wheels are not that dirty. So moving forward, I'm going to show you guys how you can use it in the foam cannon, the IK foam sprayer. Look at how awesome this PNS brake buster foams up, guys. Look at that. Fantastic. And then, of course, we just go in and agitate. Most of that grime is gone. Check it out, guys. Nice. So there you guys have it. Quick product review, PNS brake buster, my go-to wheel and tire cleaner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. If you don't know, head on down to the description, see all the products and tools that I use. Click the link, you can get your stuff right there, guys. If you don't know, thanks for watching. Big up everybody out there. Like, subscribe, share, all of that. Clean Car Chris, nothing but good vibes over here. Boom.